smell a rat. Answer is A, to be suspicious. To take someone for a ride. Answer is C, to deceive someone. A damn squib. Answer is B, a disappointing result. To be all at sea. Answer is C, lost and confused. Turn over a new leaf. Answer is A, change one's behavior for the better. At loose ends. Answer is C, in an uncertain situation. Ruffle somebody's feather. Answer is C, to annoy somebody. Cut short. Answer is C, interrupt. Ball is in your court. Answer is D, it is up to you to make the next decision or step. Keep under one's hat. Answer is A, to keep something a secret. Make one's flesh creep. Answer is B, to frighten someone. By a long chalk. Answer is D, majority. To go down like a lead balloon. Answer is C, a speech, proposal, or joke that is poorly received. To be on cloud nine. Answer is C, to be extremely happy. To face the music. Answer is C, to bear the consequences. Turn up. Answer is B, to appear. On thin ice. Answer is B, in a precarious or risky situation. To spill the beans. Answer is B, to reveal a secret. With one voice. Answer is B, unanimously. Strain every nerve. Answer is A, work very hard. Pass the buck. Answer is A, refuse to accept responsibility. Hold your horses. Answer is B, be patient. Fish out of water. Answer is B, to be out of place. Like a cakewalk. Answer is C, easy task. Tricks of the trade. Answer is C, special skills or knowledge. Once in a blue moon. Answer is C, rarely. Talking 20 to the dozen. Answer is A, talking hurriedly and rapidly. Blue blood. Answer is D, aristocrat. A good Samaritan. Answer is A, genuinely helpful person. Riding the high horse. Answers A. Appear arrogant. Hear it on grapevine. Answers B. To hear a rumor about someone. To be in the doldrum. Answers C. To be in low spirits. A litmus test. Answer is D. A method that helps to know if something is correct. A house of cards. Answer is B. A poor plan. Black and blue. Answer is A. Full of bruises. Give cold shoulder. Answer is A. To ignore. Hit the nail on the head. Answer is D. To do the correct thing. Let the cat out of the bag. Answer is C. To reveal the secret carelessly or by mistake. It's all Greek to me. Answer is B. Something that is not understandable. To call a spade a spade. Answer is A. To be brutally frank.